We are Organo. For the last decade, we've helped thousands of people like you live their best leisurely life. But we weren't always a global lifestyle brand. In fact, we started small, with just 3 employees. We've become the great family we are today because of our distribution partners and customers. They've inspired us by doing the impossible. They've lost thousands of pounds and are leading healthier lifestyles with our products. They've been able to supplement their income so they could spend more time with their friends, kids, and family. Many have realized their dreams and have done their many firsts. First trip abroad, first house, first luxury car, first child off to college. Dreams fulfilled are a testament that the Organo movement is real. Most of our distribution partners started as satisfied customers. They used and loved our products. So when they joined the OG family, selling and making money became easy. All they had to do was share their favorite OG products with family and friends. In every culture, in every corner of the earth, people drink coffee or tea at least occasionally. No borders, no boundaries, no exceptions. When you meet someone and may not speak the same language, you can still sit back, relax, and enjoy the one universal delicious language together. Now you too can speak and profit from billion-dollar industries through the Organo ecosystem. The first product we created was coffee. We started selling coffee in 2008. Our coffees are infused with an exclusive ingredient, the organically grown Ganoderma lucidum, a mushroom regarded by the traditional Chinese culture as the miraculous king of herbs. This mushroom, originally reserved for royalty, is filled with powerful and beneficial antioxidants that helps to support a healthy immune system. Our distribution partners have benefited from getting in on this billion-dollar trend. Our top distribution partners make a lucrative income. And guess what? Specialty coffee sales keep on growing, increasing by 20% every year. Organo is known for its quality products. Ever wonder where your tea and coffee really comes from? Organo believes that transparency is key not only to your health, but to the betterment of the world. We stand behind our products and our sources, and that's why we partnered with IBM to bring the Organo Food Trust, an app where you can trace where ingredients are sourced when products were packaged and shipped. From coffee to healthy lifestyles, Organo endeavored to bring the treasures of the earth to the people of the world. We knew that the Ganoderma has unlimited potential to help improve lives, which brings us to OGX. OGX is an exclusive line of meal replacement shakes enhanced with Ganoderma. They were created to fill in nutritional gaps, assist in making weight loss goals more realistic, and to change the way you live and feel. With the OGX system, you can increase your energy, sharpen your daily focus, improve your digestion, lose weight, and build muscle. The results speak for themselves. Thousands of pounds lost, lifestyles changed for the better. The X Forever movement has helped and supported people to become the best versions of themselves. The transformation is ongoing, and many continue to share the gift with their friends and family. Organo desires to support your journey to not only feel good, but also look good, to experience health and beauty inside and out. Meet Be You. Be You is our line of all-natural, gentle products, and it is unlike anything else on the market today. Our ingredients are all-natural, hypoallergenic, pH-balanced, paraben and sulfate-free, cruelty-free, and sourced from New Zealand, one of the purest countries on the planet. Our ingredients like bee venom, manuka honey, and jojoba are truly one of a kind. What can we say? We like to set trends. BU has opened a new market and has given our distribution partners another income stream. And last but not least, I'd like to tell you about our latest OG development. As we planned free trips for our distribution partners, we learned a thing or two about travel. It is just as vital to our health as what we eat. It is a trillion-dollar industry. And travel is a game, and it's rigged. If you've ever surfed the web for 10 hours looking for the best deal, you know this. That's why we created Travala. Travala is an exclusive members-only travel club designed to give you the rest and reprieve we all need from the modern-day world. On it, you can access over 250,000 of the finest vacation accommodations in the world. This includes luxury hotels, homes, cruise ships, villas, resorts, and condos. What's even better? You can save up to 80% booking through Travala. That's because we've negotiated special pricing at cost, wholesale, just for you. That's why you won't find this pricing or even accommodations anywhere else online. And if you sign up for Forever Weeks, you'll get your very own personal travel concierge to craft and curate your dream vacation. Organo is always on a quest to provide the best solutions to everyday concerns. With OG Pay, we envision to transform the way money moves domestically and internationally, giving you a total payment solution for daily transactions. Think of it as your mobile or virtual wallet that allows you to load and offload money to bank accounts, a virtual Visa that allows you to use funds anywhere Visa is accepted and move funds in real time. This is truly money reinvented. You see, at Organo, we believe a rich life comes not just from the things you have, but from the things you do, the experiences you create, and the people you meet along the way. We believe your life minutes are yours to spend. You should choose your own hours, be your own boss, work with whoever you want, and work from wherever you want in the world, whether that's on a beach in Bali or from the comfort of your own home. Life is short. We believe everyone should have a career and a life they love, whether it's through our products or services. We are here to make that dream a reality. Are you ready to live an OG leisurely life?